Hey, I don't think I'll really post this on YouTube, but yeah, it's like going on 1 a.m. on day 2 of my 7 days off after putting in 273 hours of work. I'm exhausted. I'm really exhausted. But anyways, I just wanted, I was just heading outside just for a breath of fresh air, and I thought I'd just record it. So this is the Airbnb I'm staying at in Kelowna. I'll film a better perspective of it tomorrow. But tonight I'm just going outside just for a quick minute. But yeah, so I have goodies set up everywhere. This is a table full of sugar, homemade granola, handmade homemade granola. All that sugar for anybody that wants it. I've invited a few people over. Hopefully they show. And just savory treats over here with more granola. Other treats. Yeah, you gotta love that Quaker Harvest Crunch cereal. Good stuff. Anyways, I gotta grab the keys here. Yep. You should recognize that emblem. Car aficionados, anyway. Well, I'm sure everybody recognizes the Trident. But yeah, I gotta go outside. It's like going on 1 a.m. I'm wanting to relax. And yeah, just head outside for a minute. No, that's not the light I want. There we go. Pardon me, sorry. Still not very good at YouTubing, filming. Okay, that closes. Yeah, I was gonna say, hopefully I have my phone on me that I can remember the code to go back in, but I'm filming with it. It's right here in my hand. Anyways, gotta close this door. It's a little gated community here in Kelowna. It's really beautiful here, very private, very quiet. I have this place. It's a 3-bedroom luxury cottage. Sleeps 4. Anyways, yeah, it's on this property. Let's see if this works. That's the cold start. It's a Maserati. Has a beautiful front emblem. Nice, huge, spacious trunk in it. It's immaculate clean. It's 5 years old. It's Maserati Ghibli. I love how the front windows are clear and the back windows are almost limousine tinted. But yeah, lots of legroom in the back. They say it seats 5, but there's 5 seatbelts, but 4 adults comfortably. Sunroof, moonroof. It is a nice car. A very nice car. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Even to pull the steering wheel back towards you, it's all like electronic. Like you just hit a button and it just zooms towards you. Seats the same thing. Heated seats, carbon fiber. Are you seeing this carbon fiber? That's real, folks. Anyways, this is the car. Oh, you can hook it up to your Android, and it has Android Auto on it. And I hook up to my phone, and it just works phenomenal. As far as the computer system, it's a 7-speed. That's another thing I should show you. There's an M here. You hit M, it goes into manual, and then you use these paddle shifts. One is up and one is down. And you can go ripping through the gears, with respect, of course. But yeah, and then there's sport mode. Stiffens up the suspension. And then in case there's ice. It has studded, no, I'm sorry, it does not have studded. It has snow tires on it right now. He was thinking about getting the tires studded, but no, he's just running, on this car, he's just running snow tires. 20-inch wheels on this thing. But yeah, listen how quiet it is now. Now that we shut that off. So it's windy roads all the way up here. Up into the mountains, like 30 kilometers of winding roads up around the mountains on sheer face, rocky cliffs and stuff. And pretty dangerous, but boy, this car was handling it. I was giving it a little bit of throttle around the corners, picking the straight line. In those 30 kilometers, I probably saw 3 cars. So it was dark, and you could see if there were lights coming or not. And it was completely dark. I didn't see anything coming, and I saw 3 different vehicles in the period of the 30 kilometers, but boy, oh boy, it was phenomenal. You could just fly through there with your high beams on. And yeah, this Maserati Ghibli is phenomenal. It was handling it really well and comfortably. Like, it wasn't rolling. You couldn't feel the body rolling at all. I've often wondered about Italian cars. Like, what is it? Why are Italian cars so expensive? Now I've driven a Maserati. It may not be a Ferrari, but it's a beautiful luxury car. Apparently it's a 100K car. And anyways, it's 5 years old and it's beautiful. It's immaculate. I just wanted to kind of show what it was like and stuff. But yeah, I'll probably the next couple of days I'll film a video of me driving it. You can hear the gears changing, the way it sounds and stuff. Over and out.